Example number 71. Solve the following logarithmic equation. Log 256x squared to base 2 is equals to 1 plus 2 log half x raised to power 4 to base 2, isn't it? So to solve this, you must ensure you have the same base all through for you to use the laws of logarithms. So this is base 2, this is base 2, this does not have a base, so you introduce a log to base 2, isn't it? So we have log 256x squared to base 2 is equals to 1. Then you now introduce log 2 to base. A log of a number to the same base is 1, isn't it? Then it is plus 2 log a half x to power 4 to base 2. From there, you now ensure you have one term on the other side of the equation after getting rid of the coefficients, isn't it? So if you get rid of the coefficient, what do you have? Log 256x squared to base 2. This one becomes the power, isn't it? So it is going to be log 2 raised to power 1 to base 2. Then plus this 2 becomes the power, isn't it? So you get log 2 base 2 over half x raised to power 2, then raised to power 2. This 2 coefficient becomes the power. So you've got rid of the coefficients, isn't it? So you join them, you ensure you have one term on either side, isn't it? So one term on either side, this side we already have one term, log 2 base 2 of 256x squared. Then here, you factorize out. If you remove out log 2 base 2, addition will go back to multiplication, isn't it? 2 raised to power 1 is just 2, isn't it? So we are going to have this 2 times a half x raised to power 4 to power 2. So the moment you take log 2 base 2 inside, this multiplication will go back to addition. Are we together? Now we have a single term on either side. If we have a single term on either side, we can now ignore log 2 base 2, isn't it? If you ignore log 2 base 2, what do you have? 256x squared is equals to 2 into this power outside is for everything inside the bracket, isn't it? So you start a half raised to power 2, you get 1 over. See, this is a half square. You get 1 over 4, isn't it? Then you move x to power 4, this 2 times 4, you get x raised to power. The power outside is for everything inside. This is a half raised to power 1. So 2 times 1, you get a half squared, which is 1 over 4. Then 4 times 2, you get x raised to power 8, isn't it? Are we together? So from here, what do you see? We have 256x squared is equal to 2 times 1 over 4. So you get 1 over 2. X raised to power 8, isn't it? 1 over 2, x raised to power 8. Then you go on. For us to get x, see, we divide both sides, we multiply both sides by 2. We multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of this a half, isn't it? Then after multiplying both sides by 2, we divide both sides by x squared to get rid of this x squared, isn't it? Are we together? So what are we left with this side? 2 times 256, which is 512 to be equals to x raised to power 8 divided by x raised to power 2. Same base with the division sign, you subtract the powers, isn't it? 8 minus 2, you get x raised to power 6. So how do we get x? We raise both sides to power 1 over 6 to get rid of 6. A power outside times the power inside, isn't it? A power outside times the power. So 1 over 6 times 6, you remain with x. You remain with x to be 512 raised to power 1 over 6, which is 512 raised to power 1 over 6. You found it to be? It is? In third form, root raised to power 1 over 6. 2 root 2 power 1 over 6. 2 root 2. Good. So you have there 2 root 2 in third form, or 2 point something in decimal, isn't it? And you have solved for x. Let's do the last.